Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artists Bounty Killer and Capleton will be honored at the International Reggae and World Music Awards Rama, which is set to take place on Saturday, May 11 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Now, Bounty Killer will receive the Reggae Dancehall Icon Award, while Capleton will receive the Reggae Culture Legend Award. This year's staging of the award show will see a number of individuals in the music fraternity being honored for their contribution to and for making a difference in the world of reggae music. Dancehall legend Bob Marley will also be honored with the Special Emperor of Reggae and World Music Honor Award, which was created specifically for the late reggae singer. Nominees for Bob Marley's Entertainer of the Year award include Busy Signal, Chronix, Damian Marley, Popcorn, and Shaggy. The Rama Awards recognizes the accomplishments and contributions of reggae and world music artists, songwriters, performers, and promoters. Dancehall artist Vanessa Bling's EP, Still Standing, has re-entered the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The compilation, which now sits in the number 10 spot, debuted at number 3 when it was released last September and has spent 13 consecutive weeks on the charts. The 6-track EP, which was released by Intrigue Records and Outer Space Entertainment, showcases a more mature crossover side of Vanessa Bling. Still Standing features the singles 10 Bags, Real Love, and What to Do, among others. Bling is currently in the studio working on her debut album, which she said will be produced by a bevy of local talent. Dubbed the world's biggest fashion event, last night saw celebrities showcasing their fashionable side at the annual staging of the Met Gala. The event took place at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York under the theme Camp, Notes on Fashion, to coincide with an upcoming exhibition at the Met inspired by U.S. writer and political activist Susan Sontag's 1964 essay, Notes on Camp. The outfits this year were like an exhibition based on irony, humor, parody, pastiche, artifice, theatricality, and exaggeration. Hosted by Serena Williams and Harry Styles, the event saw A-list celebrities such as Kim Kardashian, Katy Perry, Cardi B, Lady Gaga, Celine Dion, and Billy Porter, among others. The Met Gala is an annual benefit event for the Costume Institute at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. 7-time Grammy winner Madonna has announced her upcoming tour, which is scheduled for this fall. The tour is named after her upcoming album Madame X and will make its way to 3 cities with 16 tour dates. The tour, which kicks off on September 12, will be making stops in Las Vegas, Boston, Philadelphia, Miami, Lisbon, London, and Paris. Last month, Madonna made the announcement about her upcoming album, which will be a follow-up to her last album, Rebel Heart, which was released back in 2015.
I want to tell you something. I haven't told anybody else. You're the first person I'm telling,
Please tell
okay?
me. Better be good.
I'm going on tour.
Well, I mean, I would expect so.
No release date has been announced for this new album. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.